Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you've ever wanted your emails to send themselves while you're asleep, traveling, or just busy, this video is for you. Today, I'll show you exactly how to schedule an email in Outlook 365, step by step, using the latest version. It's quick, powerful, and can save you tons of time. So let's dive right in. First, open your Outlook 365 and start composing your email. Just like you normally do, add your recipient, subject line, and your message. Now, here's where the magic happens. In the new Outlook interface, you'll see a small drop-down arrow right next to the Send button. Click on that. From the menu, choose Schedule Send. Outlook will now show you a few suggested send times, like tomorrow morning or next week. But if you want full control, you can set your own custom date and time. Once you confirm, your email won't be sent right away. Instead, it'll move into your drafts folder, not the outbox, where it'll stay safely stored until the scheduled time arrives. And here's the best part. Unlike older versions, you don't even need to keep Outlook open. The email will automatically send itself at your chosen time. So even if your computer is off, Outlook's cloud service handles everything for you. This feature is a total game changer for anyone managing clients across time zones or just trying to stay productive without missing deadlines. And that's it. You've just learned how to schedule emails like a pro in Outlook 365. It's simple, smart, and one of the best hidden productivity tricks in the app. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell. I post more quick tech guides just like this one every week. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.